Omo, congratulations to this beautiful duo wey we have for TikTok. Indeed, hard work pays. These two have really taught us that patience is a virtue. I remember some times ago, people will be bashing them, say Purple, Speedy and Crispdal, wetin una dey use una money do? Others dey buy car, wey una own car. They don't know that God has planned for them. They don't know that he who has God has everything. These people has been working so hard on this space, minding their business, working together in harmony and love. And now they bought themselves their first car. And the car loud though, it is Benz. Do you know how much it is? Hey God, I'm so happy for them. Seriously, I'm so happy. It means that woman can have money and still be loyal to her man. A woman can have money and still be humble. It shows that her little beginning still stick on her head. Congratulations, Purple, Speedy and Crispdal. Indeed, you guys are one of the motivators I have on this app. Whenever I look at you people, I will smile and say, Cindy, your own turn will soon come. And when it comes, I will get back to this video that I will post now. I will use it as a reference to the prophecy I'm making on myself today. Congratulations once more, Purple, Speedy and Crispdal. Indeed, hard work pays. You out there watching them and being happy for them, believe in yourself that you will soon make it as they made it. It wasn't an easy journey. If they tell you how they started and how far they have gone, you will know that patience is indeed a virtue. So cool down and believe in yourself. Everything will be perfect soon.